This is sort of the blessing and also the curse of finding beautiful music online. This is the song that you know by heart right here by Hillsong, but you're given here a pattern of music, of notes that is complicated to count. But if you've sung it and you know it in your heart, then allow the cello to be that voice. And take your eyes away from the fact that it has all of these complicated, phrasing. Just get those notes down, the core of what it is. Get these notes down in your head. You know the song. Play what you hear in your heart. And as you're learning music, no matter at what level you are at, if this is something you connect with and you want to play it, just put in the fingerings, get your scale book going, put it in the fingerings. And then I know this because I pull out my scale book and I look D major. Okay, that's D major. Here's my scale book. I'm going to go to 2 octaves. D major, here I am in D major, so I'm going to match up these notes and see where I have the +4 in that area. There it is, the +4 right there. So that makes me feel good. I can go back to my new song. +4 is a C sharp. And because you have the C sharp here occurring on this space right here, that means every single note that is on this space, so this right here will be, in my pedagogy, a +4. It's a high 4. And that looks like this. You have your regular first position, you have the beginning of 4th position, and then the space in between is the +4. And this note here is the C sharp. When you're learning music for the first time, ask yourself, does it fit in first? The +4 technically does not. It sort of does with an extension. And so as we continue down the line, we look for more of those notes. And here is another one right here. And we just continue down that line looking for any, and here's another one right here. So we'll add the +4, and it really helps. Making the music your own, putting in those fingerings, it would really help you. Now that we know that, and we also know the way this song sounds because we have sung it, we have listened to it on YouTube, then let's put our fingers to task. I would be remiss not to tell you, in the D major, when you play on this string, which is the G string, you are not using the 3 because you are an extension, so you might as well learn it now. D major, you're playing an extension 1, 2, 1, 2. It is an extension there, and you know that by association. And there you have the real D major fingering. So your hand is here in the extended first position. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, +4, 0, 0, 1.